Hi, in this step we're going to assemble the seasonings and explain why we're doing what we're doing. Okay, we're going to get some garlic powder, put it right here in the bowl, measuring spoon, a little pepper flakes. This is what I call my secret ingredient, cinnamon. A little ground thyme. Brown cumin, rosemary, white pepper, paprika. Basically, we're going to mix the paprika and the chili and the red pepper flakes to give it a little heat. This has to give it a little different kind of southern type spices to it. Chili powder also is for heat. If it doesn't come out one way, make it come out another. A little roasted garlic. I like the texture of the thicker chunks of the garlic and the texture of the thicker chunks of the steak seasoning. It'll make a nice addition to the rub we're going to put on the pork roast. Pepper. Just a tad of salt. And these are our spices for our rub. Then to this spice, we're going to add a little spicy mustard. Couple of good squirts. I'm going to take some extra virgin olive oil. A couple of good things there. I'm going to mix it up. Just a little body, a little rub. This is the rub we're going to put on the pork roast. And the last seasonings I'm going to add is just salt and pepper. I'm going to put salt and pepper all over the roast.